Hi friends, it's good to see you this afternoon. We are going to have a great math lesson today. I am going to share my screen. We're going to start with some everyday math problems. Why do we say this? Because math, numbers and figuring things out, that's part of our everyday life. Before we start into our problems, we need to review what we already know about addition and subtraction. What is addition? It means putting things together, guys. So if I have one beach ball and I decide to get another beach ball, if I put them together, how many beach balls do I have? 1, 2. I use my plus sign to show that I'm adding. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. So what is subtraction? Well, it's exactly the opposite, guys. This time, I'm going to be showing that I'm taking away. So if we were all lucky enough to see 3 beautiful ladybugs fly to us, but then, 1 and then 2 fly away. Oh no, how many would we have left? We would have just 1 beautiful ladybug left. We'd use our minus sign to show that we were subtracting, we're taking away. So 3 minus 2 equals 1. Here's why we care, guys. Because in Virginia, we want to make sure that everybody's a mathematician. In 2nd grade, we want to know how to find the answers to addition problems, sums, and subtraction problems, differences, using lots of different strategies, different ways of thinking. Today, we're going to specifically create, think up, and solve, find the answers to everyday math problems with addition and subtraction. Are we ready? Okay. Today, we're going to use the following strategies, but you can use others too. We'll use pictures, manipulatives, using a number line, counting on, counting forward, 3, 4, 5, 6, and counting backwards, like for the space shuttle, 10, 9, 8, 7. So it's my turn, guys. I want you to watch me use pictures to solve a problem. I just used the insert function on my Google Slides to draw these pictures. So Mason bought 12 eggs at the store. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But he dropped 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many does he have left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 12 minus 4 equals 8. This time we're going to use manipulatives to solve the problem. I like these cute little bear counters, so we're going to use those. Elisha has 6 red gummy bears and 7 yellow gummy bears. How many gummy bears does he have in all? Well, I know that the words in all mean I'm putting things together. So I'm going to use addition for this problem. And I'm going to use my cute little bear counters. I'm going to click on my link and go to my bear counters. And I remember that I need 6 red, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I need 7 yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now I'm going to go back to my problems, guys. So Elisha had 6 red, and he added 7 yellow. So let's count how many in all. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Wow. So 6 plus 7 equals 13, guys. This time I'm going to use a number line to help solve my problem. And because we've been doing problems up to 20, I have numbers 0 through 20 on my line. Gage had 15 grapes. He ate 4. Now I know that if you eat something, it's gone. So that's taking away. So I'm going to subtract in this problem. How many grapes did he have left? And the word left also means I'm subtracting. So I know this is a subtraction problem. I'm going to look at my first number. My first number is 15, guys. I'm going to mark that on my number line. 15. My next number is 4. That's the number of jumps I'm going to make. So I'm going to make 4 jumps backward because my numbers are getting smaller. I'm getting fewer grapes. Ready? 1 jump, 2 jumps, 3 jumps, and 4 jumps lands me at 11. So 15 minus 4 jumps backward, equals 11. All right, this time I'm going to use my brain, my thinking brain, to figure out how to count on to solve my problem. Cohen made 15 cold cut sandwiches, and Matthew made 3 peanut butter and jelly sandwiches for a family picnic. How many sandwiches did they have in all? I know that in all means that we're adding, we're putting them together. So, let's think about that. In all means adding. I'm going to start with my first number, which is 15. And then I'm going to count on 3 more, guys. Ready? 15, 16, 17, 18. I land on 18. So 15 plus 3 equals 18. This time I'm going to count backwards, guys. Things are getting smaller to solve this problem. Ariana blew up 10 balloons. 6 balloons popped in the hot car. Oh no! How many balloons were left? I know that the word left means subtracting. I'm going to start with my first number, which is 10. I'm going to count back my second number, which is 6. I'm going to put 10 in my head, 6 fingers up, and count backwards, guys. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So 10 minus 6 equals 4. All right, now we're going to do some practice together. And you're going to have lots of different ways to solve your problem. You'll get to choose on these. I want you to click on your Google Classroom link, and we're going to use different strategies to work on some everyday math problems together. At this point, I would go through the group problems with students using either NearPod or Pear Deck or some way to monitor student progress until I was sure that they were able to do it on their own. Then there are individual, independent assignments where they create their own problems. I would make sure that they have accessibility features like voice typing so that they would know how to create word problems that they might not yet be able to type on their own. And I would give them features like titles so that they would be more certain to create the type of problems that they were supposed to. They would be able to access their work in the assignment feature. Theirs would start at Let's Practice Together. The rubric for grading would be included, which would show that there are 4 points for going through the group problems together for guided practice. And then there are 16 points for various features of creating their own problems and solving them. Various supports would be available, including those like the Desmos 4 function calculator that might be necessary as accommodations in an IEP. And there would also be assignments for if students finished early, they could work on math games that would reinforce the same skills